In front of me is REALME GT8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. Then before doing anything, most people miss that you should click on those three dots at the top right corner and hit settings to manage all of those for alarms however you want to. When you finish, go back and tap on plus icon to create new alarm. Start by setting up an hour at the top. Then select one of those repeat options. Ring once, weekdays. You can adjust each one and hit OK to save it. Or scramble. You can check out all the informations about it over here and adjust those options accordingly. Then last one is custom, where you need to pick days of the week manually. Wherever you decided when you're done, adjust all of those options for your alarm. Click here to label it. Select Ringtone and tap on Allow to either select the default, None. Click on one of those system options like Classic and select one of those melodies. Tap on Spotify to log in and use music from it, weather, which is my personal favorite, because if you set it up, your ringtone will change depending on the weather. Or the last one, which is on this device. If you wanna pick a song from your smartphone and set it up, click here, tap on your song and go back. Now choose Vibrate to pick one of those vibration patterns. Disable vibrations completely by choosing No Vibration, or synchronize them with current ringtone. Tap on Snooze to decide how many minutes it will take, how many times it will repeat, and even use this switcher at the top to turn it off or switch it on. When you go back this time, hit Done at the top right corner to save your new alarm. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To turn it on or off, use this switcher next to it and click on one of those options. To edit it, click on it, make any changes you want, and hit Done again. And last but not least, to get rid of it, hold it, tap on Delete button at the bottom, and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!